What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install VMware VSphere Hypervisor 6.7. So we need to go to this website and I'll put link in the description below, and then we need to log in. If you have an account, just use your account, and if you don't have one, you can just create one and it's free, it's at no cost. So once you create an account, log in. Once you're logged in, scroll down, and right here you will see VSphere Hypervisor ISO. We need to download it, and I'm going to click manual download, and then I'm going to click OK, and then right here on top you will see your license key. I'm going to blur mine out, but this is a free license key, and I think you can use this license key on 5 devices. Once download is complete, we need to do one more thing. We need to go to Rufus. We need to download Rufus software. With this software, we're going to create bootable device. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to download portable version. I'm going to click save file. Once this is downloaded, we need to go our download folder and then double click on Rufus and then click run. And you can check for application updates. I'm gonna just click no. Make sure you have a flash drive. I think you have to have at least 1 gig of flash drive. I'm just using 64, that's all I have available right now. Make sure select it, and then right here click on select, and then navigate to your download folder or where you downloaded your VSphere, and then click on it and then click open. And right here at this page, if you're using one of the older systems, you might just want to leave everything as default. And if you're using one of the newer servers and you have secure boot enabled, you might want to change this to GPT. I'm going to use it MBR, and then I'm going to click on start. And right here, I'm going to click yes. And then I'm going to click OK one more time. This is basically notifying you that all the data is going to be lost on your flash drive. Once this is done, we can close and we can right click on our flash drive and we can eject. Now we need to plug in our flash drive into our workstation and turn workstation on, and we need to boot into the boot menu. Since I'm using Dell on my computer, it's going to be F12. And then right here we need to choose our USB drive and then click enter. And right here, click enter one more time, and then enter one more time. Once we get to the screen, we need to press enter and then F11 to accept terms and conditions. And then right here, we need to make sure the hard drive that we're going to try to install, it's highlighted, and then press enter. And then press enter one more time. And then right here, I'm going to choose keyboard layout US default, but you can choose whatever you need to. And then we need to set up our root password. And then press enter. And right here, this is just stating that my CPU probably in the future will not be supported. So at this moment, I'm just going to ignore that and I'm going to click enter. And then I'm going to click F11 to install. Installation is complete, and before we reboot the system, we need to remove our flash drive and then press enter. Once Hypervisor is rebooted, now it's set up and running. But there's one more thing that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna press on F2 and I'm gonna set up static IP address on it. And right here, we need to put our root password. And then press enter. And then right here, I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna click on configure management network. And then I'm gonna go down to IPv4 configuration and I'm gonna press enter. And right here, I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna press space to set static IP address. And then I'm gonna go down, and right here, I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna I'm gonna set the IP address to 192.168.1.20. And right here, the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. And then I'm gonna press enter. And then I'm gonna press on escape to exit. And now I'm gonna press on Y to save the changes. And then I'm gonna press escape to log out. Now I'm gonna jump on my computer. I'm gonna show you how to access your hypervisor from your desktop. Open your internet browser and type the IP address that you set it up, or the one it was displaying on a screen. Mine is 192.168.1.20, and press enter. And then right here we need to click on advanced and then continue to that IP address. So right here, this is a login page to our hypervisor. The username is root, and the password, it's the one that we set it up during the installation. And then click login. And this is it. We're in a hypervisor. And then right here, I'll uncheck that, and then I'm gonna click OK. And right here, you can go into your virtual machines. You can start creating virtual machines, storage, networking, and this is it. Hypervisor is ready to be used. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and all the links I will put in the description below. Once again, thanks for watching.